Go on, my babies. You don't know. You got MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! That lighting though. Where is it at? What of them? Guys, what's up? You know, haven't vlogged from when I vlog for New Year. No, from a god dinner one day by myself. If you haven't seen that vlog, it's a short little vlog. You can go ahead and check it out. But I'm gonna vlog for a while because I've been so busy. Shout out to my Skylife hat. You know, I know a lot of people have been asking me about the Skylife hats, but I'm gonna do some tweaks to it, add something to it, and then it will be available on the site. But just hang in there, you guys will know when it's out. And some other stuff. Yeah, so today is Saturday, January 19. I'm about to get my hair did and my toes did. What do you call that? Manicure? Manicure. Yeah, I might get my toe did and get my hair done. I'm not the nails type of girl, like I'm not fancy the stuff there. It's just not me. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I'll check back in with you guys when maybe when my hair done or so. I'm putting in Malaysian Jerry Deep. You're very nice. It's a curly hair, and I'm gonna like straight hair. Oh, I'm gonna like straight hair because it's kind of better to manage. But this says I'm gonna do curly hair because I'm not doing no curly hair in a while. My ear practically natural because I grow up my ear. But what do you want me braid my ear, man? When me comb my ear in the hairdressing place, a ball more and ball. It's too hot, I can't manage it. So I think I go cream back my ear. I can't manage the natural ear thing and stuff. So yeah, that me I don't know. Me check back in with you guys if it's not too late and dark or I can't vlog. If anything, I'll pick up back tomorrow or so. But big up on the damn self. So guys, me cream my ear now, touch up and see. I turn up in front of this because I can't manage the natural ear. And when you're sewing, if you front look touch up, now gonna look natural. So I'm gonna touch up the front. So I'm wait to go and process. I'm not gonna do my toe the mirror stuff. Auntie. So yeah, I'm gonna touch up the back though, but just touch up the front. So guys, this is the finished product of my hair. I like it, it's Malaysian. I'm at Island Grill now. I'm going to have a fish sandwich with plantain. I love plantain. I strongly don't believe in an Island Grill price for the plantain, like $200 for extra plantain, to get plantain extra. I don't believe in it, but I get plantain because I really like plantain. What is pumpkin? So I'm gonna do that now, grab on that, and then I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna pick up the vlog tomorrow. But I really like the hair. Comment below if you like the hairstyle, if you think you fit me. Auntie. Morning, baby. How are you today? Oh, tell the vlog hi. Say hi, Skylife.
Hi, Skylife.
Say hi.
Hi.
What? What you look for? Bye bye. You have cold? Alright, go on later, eh? Oh no, Andre. Good morning. You're right till the morning. So if I rush them, put on till the morning and you answer. Guys, good morning. How are you today? I hope you guys are great, having a great day. I hope you guys are having a great day. Like, oh my god. We not rise and boss. We have to give thanks because we need it the most. Blessings are upon my life on. Anyways guys, good morning again, you know. How this? I've been trying to vlog the other day. I'm just coming back from the other day. I've been really busy. I'm not gonna away like that for vlog. But I'll be working on something for you guys. So that's why I put together this little video to inform you that I don't forget about you guys. I still have you on my mind. You guys are like my baby. You know, I still have you on my mind, and I'll be working on some stuff for you. And if you watch my New Year's vlog, If you haven't watched that, you can go ahead and watch it now, and also subscribe to the channel. But one of my main goals for this year is to work on my spiritual connection, my spiritual growth, you know. And what I realize, spiritual growth requires a lot of isolation. It's hard at times, but I realize that when you isolate yourself, you get more done, you know, in terms of connection, you know. I really want to reach out a level there when I just, I don't know if you know that, understand. So I really work on it. It's not something that I'm going to be isolated forever, but you know, if you really structure what you need, it requires a lot of thinking about what you want and how you're going to get it done, and the connection, as I said. So I like me work on it. So I'm just checking for telling her that. Say subscribe, hold tight, I'm here still. Oh my god, guys, I'm 1,100 subscribers. Like, oh my freaking god, I'm so excited. Like, 101. Comment below and tell me 101. Yeah man, I'm gonna put together something fun. I'm really excited. I remember when I just hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna insert that clip. It was like, I was so excited, so excited. But thank you guys, and I really appreciate you. And you know, we're going places.
Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall by my